Hello, Wayne.
Robert.
Has people gone down to the sport?
I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised.
Come on, move this side. Just come and stand the other side of the box for me.
Right, red team in your spawn, please. Red team in
Move to the other side of this box, please.
I know where the black aircraft are thrown out.
Move, gather in for me.
Oh yeah, I've had it.
So as Swoop said downstairs, you will be defending. Lots of things. So you have, did they say 3 or 5 lines?
3.
So,
9.
So you have 3 lives altogether. You can't go past this beam when you start, and you're not allowed up this tower. But anywhere else, you can dig in wherever you like. So you have 1 life this side of the archways. When you've died this side of the archways, go back to spawn, respawn, and then you're not allowed back past this side of the archways. Okay? You've got 2 lives the other side. Once you've had all 3 lives, stay in the spawn. We might give you an extra life. If not, just stay in the spawn. Just don't shoot your weapons in the spawn. Okay? Any questions? Dig in.
I don't know where the fuck you're digging.
Pretty much just wherever for the first step.
I know, I just literally don't know where to go.
That's full up there.
Yeah.
No,
I think there's 3 up. I think there's 3 up there already.
Through that doorway there. There's like 3
Yeah.
where the green is on the left.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And the entrance really.
When it's that all varying.
Yeah.
Pardon?
There's some around here somewhere.
And they're coming already. Maybe. Still getting in the building down there. Hit! Nice shot! Dead play, coming through!
Maybe I get through that much.
Looks like we're doing alright, to be fair.
Good man. Hit.
Not a kill! Guys, they're coming through archway 1, come on this side. Hit! Oh, I'm dead now. Wait. Oh. You having fun there?
I'm not getting shot.
If you're not getting a shot, move up. Pardon? Twice. Yeah.
You want to go completely?
Yeah. Might be able to go back out then.
Probably will.
Here. You have 2 lives this side. This is your respawn point.
Okay. Am I allowed to go up it?
Pardon?
Am I allowed to go up it?
Sorry, I can't hear
Should
you.
I go up if I still have lights?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But you can't go through the archways.
Right, okay, yeah, okay.
Alright.
Okay, yeah.
Oh. I need bloody more chairs. If you ever do that again, just take your mag out, mate. Because if that goes off, you'll fucking know about it. You got two this side of the archway.
Oh, is it two this side?
Two this side of the archway.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So you've got one the other side. Once you die, you come back. You've got another two, but you can't go back through the archway.
Oh, sound okay.
All right. Yeah. We was doing alright, to be fair, and then all of a sudden they just come through archway one, and then that was it.
Yeah, because I was on the side.
Pardon?
I was probably arcade one.
Yeah.
I just killed 4 of them. And I got 6 more.
I was hiding in one of the corners. And it was like... Come on, Marshall, I want to get back here.
Right, I've got 4 down there.
3. He's got 1 life left. Yeah. Watch your backs. Nope. Hey, nice shot! Dead player coming through! Meow. Kayleigh! How's your head?
You fucker.
Was it you who did it?
It was me and one of the red team. She's gone in the way. Crossfire?
Oh, not fighting them.
No, actually. You need to be like Mike. He's got a bit like...
Walking through Blue Room. Walking through Blue Room. Did you see? I'm not going Mike, but I don't think it's fucking
You dead now?
3 lives.
Yeah, so you get 3 lives in total.
Yeah.
You get one the other side of the archways. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then when you come back through this arch, the archways there, you get 2 more lives.
Oh, okay, so I'll go on the last one.
So you're on your last one.
Did you get 3?
Is there anyone that hasn't got any lives left?
Only once. Second time, yeah.
Put your rifle on.
Hey! I'm checking it. Yeah, one just come bollocking up there, that's why.
You can have no life
Yeah, there was about four or five of us over there, and one just come running up.
Yeah, I saw him. And then his mate stopped me.
There was that many BBs flying, I just went, you know what, fuck it, I'll just take it.
That's what I was like.
I've got to say though, it's a good job that there are that many blues.